Today I am reviewing TVTAU T10 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner for your home, the TVTAU T10 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an absolute game-changer. Designed for modern living spaces, this cordless stick vacuum packs impressive performance and a long list of features that make cleaning effortless and efficient. First, let's talk about its suction power. Equipped with a 580-watt brushless motor, the T10 Pro delivers a remarkable 50 kPa of suction, which is strong enough to handle dust, dirt, pet hair, and crumbs on a wide range of surfaces. Whether it's hardwood floors, tiles, or thick carpets, this vacuum can power through without struggling. One of the highlights is the V-shaped anti-tangle brush roll. Unlike many vacuums where hair gets wrapped around the brush, this unique design combines soft and stiff bristles that prevent tangles while deep cleaning carpets and remaining gentle on hard floors. This feature is especially valuable for pet owners dealing with fur on sofas and rugs. Battery life is another area where the T10 Pro shines. With an 8-cell 2800 mAh battery pack, it offers up to 70 minutes of runtime on low suction, 40 minutes on medium, and about 20 minutes on max suction. This is more than enough to clean large rooms, apartments, or even multi-story homes. When it comes time to recharge, the vacuum includes a wall-mounted charging station, which doubles as convenient storage, keeping your home organized and clutter-free. One of my favorite features is the self-standing design. Unlike traditional stick vacuums that need to be leaned against a wall, the T10 Pro can stand upright on its own, making pauses during cleaning seamless. Pausing is simple, and the vacuum allows you to quickly handle other tasks without tipping over. The LED OLED display is a modern touch that shows battery level and real-time cleaning status, making it easy to monitor and switch between its 3 suction modes. And speaking of air quality, the vacuum has an 8-layer high-efficiency filtration system with HEPA filters, which captures fine dust particles and allergens, helping to maintain a cleaner and healthier home environment. It even includes a slot for an aromatherapy tablet, adding a fresh scent to your cleaning routine. The T10 Pro is also incredibly versatile in terms of attachments. It comes with a short brush head for quick spot cleaning, a long crevice nozzle for tight spaces, and a hair cleaning tool, giving you everything you need to tackle floors, corners, and furniture. Its adjustable extension hose and flexible floor brush make it easy to clean under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. Finally, this vacuum is lightweight and portable, weighing just about 8 pounds. It's easy to maneuver around furniture, upstairs, or into tight spaces, which is something many cordless stick vacuums struggle with. And for peace of mind, TVTAU provides a 2-year protection plan and 24/7 customer service, so you know you're investing in a product built to last. In summary, the TVTAU T10 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier option for anyone who wants a powerful, convenient, and feature-packed cleaning solution. From its strong suction and long runtime to the anti-tangle brush roll, self-standing design, and advanced filtration system, this vacuum is built to make your life easier while keeping your home spotless. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, the T10 Pro delivers professional-level cleaning right at home.